In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate Python script using AWS Cloud. So here you can see I have provided my credentials inside the AWS dashboard, and and here I'm having different services over here. So I'm going to create one IAM user here. You can search inside the search option here and you will find IAM user. So as of now, I am having one group, one user, but I'm going to create one more user here, and from here you will find add users. I'll create the add users name here and I'll type like Boto3 AWS Python. So click on access key and password both. Then next to permission, I'm going to attach existing policy directly. So here I'm going to search few policies like SNS full access. So this will provide all the SNS full access to my IAM user. I'm going to check box here. Then I'm going to click SNS S3 Amazon S3 full access here. So that is the second authorization. But I'm going to include Amazon recognition full access, which we'll use in the upcoming video. Then we will come across the comprehend model, the comprehend full access. So all these access we are going to provide to our IAM user. I'm going to click access, click next review, and here you can see all my managed policy included 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So now I'm going to create user, and you can see that the user is going to create over here. You can download it as a CSV file and you will have this secret access key and the password and the credentials. All right, so I'm going to copy this secret access key from here and paste it somewhere else. Let's say I'm going to paste it right somewhere. So let's say I'm going to paste it at my desktop. So this is my secret key. So I'm going to paste it over here, and then this is the secret access key. And the second thing we need access key ID. So I'm going to copy that access key ID and paste it here. So go to the home tab and you will find access key ID. So I can download in the format of download CSV, and here I'll have all the credentials saved in my local PC. And I'm going to close the button and then we'll go to the Jupyter Notebook Anaconda. So where I'll attach all these my Boto3 libraries. Here I can have Jupyter Notebook. I'm going to launch that IDE in order to adding more efficiency. I'm going to create new folder Python script, and here I'm going to import Boto3 and I'm run that. The second line I'm going to write S3, going to create an object with S3 Boto3 dot client. Give the parenthesis inside the client. I'm going to create S3 and then what is the region name that I will have to define here. So region name I'll give inside the codes, and then I'm going to create the AWS access key ID. So AWS access key ID equal to, and then I'll have AWS secret access key. So what would be the secret access key? We have all these both credentials over here. So secret access key ID, going to copy here. So you can see from here also downloads a new user, and here you can see username, password, access key, secret key. So I'm going to copy this secret key. So inside the secret key, I'm going to provide this secret key here. Make sure no space is given, and then I'm going to give the AWS access key ID. So that is the C. I'm going to copy that, and inside this value I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to run the code. So if I'll find some error, make sure, right? So this is access key, and run. So make sure we have service key. I'm going to click see all the options here. So access key, AWS access key ID, and then AWS secret access key. Whatever the access key you will have. Okay, I will have to provide the region name. So I'll go back to the IAM user, and here I'll provide the region name. So if I'll click over there, and then we'll find the region name also. So this is having global. Let's try with global, LOAL, and try to run. Now you can see it's a successfully running on the screen. Now I'm going to click on the response equal to s3 dot list, and then buckets. If we have any buckets inside here, then it will run, and if you don't have any, so it will not show any answer or any response from here. So this s3 is just kind of object we have created. This region name is the region name which we have given. As of now I'm having a global. If you will have any of these like US West 1 or AP Northeast 1 or CA Central 1, you will have to provide this value here. So as of now we don't have any except or any current name, so it's showing nothing over here. So I'm going to comment this and run. Now access key ID which we have imported from the given file, the secret key of access ID which is having the credentials from the given Python file or given the IAM user.